Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing lamb shank ragu with pappardelle. Amazing dish, really simple to do. You're going to need all of that stuff, and we'll go through that as we go through the recipe. But some of that stuff we need to cut up and pre-prepare, so it's going to look something like that. Right, so I'm going to cut up a few things, and I'll describe those as we go through it. Alright, a little bit of olive oil into a pan, just like that. We're going to give it a heatage happening in that, and all I'm simply going to do, I'm going to brown off 2 lamb shanks. Right, 2 lamb shanks. This will feed a family of 4 quite easily, right? So what we want to do is just get these brown off a little bit. This pan's getting a little bit old, so I'm just going to move these around from time to time, and all we really want to do is sear off as many sides of the lamb shanks that we possibly can. Alright, doesn't take very long at all, about 5 minutes or so. As you can see on the left hand side there, I do have my slow cooker, and this is the perfect way to cook these this beautiful ragu that we're going to make. Right, so just keep turning your lamb shanks around from time to time. Cook those off for about 6-7 minutes or so. Put them straight into your slow cooker. Alright, and look, I don't bother heating up my slow cooker. I just put it in cold, just like that. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to add in 1 large brown onion. I've actually finely chopped these. I normally just do a rough chop, but that's the die I had on my chopping device. Okay, we're just going to get those cooked off until they go a little bit translucent. I've got 2 small carrots which I have finely diced as well. Alright, they can go straight into the pan, just like that, and just get all of those turned around. Get them absorbing some of the lamb fat and some of the oil that we had in there. Right, pretty simple. Okay, so we're just going to stir those around from time to time. We're going to get a couple of kamikaze pieces of onion or carrot. They might pop out of the fry pan. Nothing you can really do about that. Here I've got about 6 slices of pancetta that I've just roughly chopped up. Not going to go into any specific type size, and that pancetta is going to add the most amazing flavor to this dish. And you've got to use pancetta. You can't use anything else. It's got its own unique flavor. You could use a little bit of prosciutto if you want to. That's just a waste of really nicely smoked meat. So I'm just going to stir those around from time to time. The fat is going to start rendering down. I'm not going to cook all of that off a lot. I'm just going to get those flavors happening and get the oil and fats from the lamb absorbed into the onion, carrot, and start rendering down a little bit of the fat of the pancetta. I'm going to put all of that straight into my slow cooker. Alright, just like that. Really simple. I'm going to add in around about 2 cloves of garlic, crushed of course. That goes straight in. About 200 grams worth of mushrooms sliced. Okay, that goes straight in. As you can see, my slow cooker is not on at the moment. I'm going to add in about a tablespoon's worth of dried rosemary and about 2 teaspoons worth of dried thyme. That's going in as well. And 1 400 gram can of diced tomatoes. Right, that can go straight in just like that. Right, really simple so far. 2 tablespoons worth of tomato paste concentrate. That can go straight in. As you can see, we're not adding any liquid to this at all. All the liquid is going to come out of all the ingredients, except for 1 cup of red wine that I've put in with a tablespoon's worth of beef bouillon powder. Right, and I tell you what, if you want to taste that, when you mix that up, that's an experience on its own. I'm going to put the lid on, right, just like that. I'm going to turn that onto high for about 20 minutes to get a bit of heat happening, and then I'm going to turn it down to low and let that cook off for around about 4 hours in total. Okay, as you can see, we've got a nice bit of bubblage happening, and we're really slowly cooking down the lamb. Look, The bones are just coming straight out of the meat, just like that. Right, and once that happens, you know you've got the perfect cookage. I'll take that out and sort of chunk up that meat. It's not going to take very long at all. Just give that a little bit of a pull apart with a couple of forks. Okay, and as you can see, I'm really struggling to get the lamb out. My MS is starting to really affect my right hand now as well, which is not ideal. So there's our meat that we've pulled off the bone. Mrs. KP is helping me along here by putting that back into the slow cooker, just like that. And if you haven't tried making your own ragouts before, wow, and especially something as beautiful as a secondary cut like a lamb shank, well, you don't know what you're missing. It does taste amazing. And look, we're going to give that all a good stir from time to time. Make sure all of our ingredients are getting to know each other really well. Now it's time to make up our dish. Mrs. KP's cooked up some of that fresh pappardelle and put that straight into a bowl. All I need to do now, or Mrs. KP is going to do, we're going to ladle over that beautiful lamb ragout that we've spent 4, maybe 5 hours making, straight on top, just like that. The flavour of this dish, I kid you not, is just out of this world. It is so simple, so rich, and a real comfort type dish. It is perfect for a weekend. Right, give all of that a little bit of a stir, just like that. Get all those bits of meat and vegetable and sauce all incorporated. All we have to do now is serve up. I'm going to put that in a consommé bowl. Put a little bit of shaved parmesan or pecorino cheese over the top, and then you go. You've got KP's lamb shank ragout with pappardelle. How easy was that to do? Really nice and cheap as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up, and share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. And in the meantime, if you want to learn how to make up a real nice rustic type Italian inspired or Mediterranean inspired dish just like this, well, you need to come and join the family. My family, hit the subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. After eating my lamb shank ragout with pappardelle, and I will catch you next time. Bye.